how to add stickers on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add stickers on Canva. For that, you'll have to open your Canva application on your mobile device. Once on the home page, click on the plus sign to start a new project and then select a photo from your gallery. To add stickers, click on the plus icon at the lower bottom of the screen. Then here click on Images from the option. This will open up a library of various images you can use to enhance your design. Scroll down until you find the stickers category. Once you are in the stickers category, you can either swipe left or click on the See All button to view all the stickers. Explore the stickers and select the one you would like to use by clicking on it. After selecting the sticker, you can adjust the size by clicking and dragging the corners of the stickers to make it larger or smaller. You can adjust the sticker size and position to your preference. You have successfully added stickers on Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.